Okay, it's a new year, 2022 is upon us, which means it's time for a little Instagram update. So in this video, we are going to do a review of sorts and break down the top trends that I'm seeing on Instagram. I'm going to be sharing what I think to be the top trends on the platform and what you should be considering if you are wanting to grow organically on Instagram this year, which I know a lot of you are. I'm also going to be showing you how we're actually implementing these strategies on the Boss Babe account, where we are growing, I think, around 80,000 followers a month. It's a lot of followers a day. So get out your notepad, let's dive in.
She's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie, CEO and co-founder of Boss Babe. So if you're new here, this channel is all about supporting ambitious women. I share no BS, straight to the point strategies on building a personal brand, growing on social media, and starting an online business. If you're into that, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and join our incredible and growing community. So here's the deal, social media is ever changing and evolving, so what worked a few years ago won't necessarily work today. It's really important to understand that if you want to grow on the platform, you need to be implementing the strategies that are currently relevant, and it changes all the time. This is especially true for Instagram. For example, back when I started creating content on the Boss Babe account, I was mainly just creating quote content. This was the type of content that would go viral and grow the account. Nowadays, that doesn't have nearly as much the same reach as it used to because things are changing. Instagram is now heavily focused on short format video content. We can most likely thank TikTok for that. This leads me to the first trend, and that is raw content. Gone are the days of perfectly polished Instagram feeds. People want to see more of your life and more of the real and raw. The biggest influencers recognize this and are sharing more of their day-to-day life in their stories and creating reels that incorporate humor and emotion rather than those perfectly posed pictures. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not saying you should never post a selfie again. They still get good engagement. But if you want to grow, then I would also encourage you to start creating more relatable content. Like, what's the real raw brand that you have that you can share that's a completely different perspective to anyone else? The next trend I want to talk about, and I'm sure you've heard it before, is Reels. I talk about this all the time. Specifically Reels that use trending audio. So if you take nothing else away from this video, it would be this. Start making Reels using trending audio. This is one of the most impactful ways you can start growing your Instagram right now. To go viral with Reels right now is so easy. On my personal account, Reels has literally doubled my engagement, and on the Boss Babe account, we are growing so many followers every single day by implementing Reels into our strategy. And we're not even creating all of the Reels, we're reposting and giving other people a platform. So let me know below if you want us to repost yours. The key is to focus on creating Reels with trending audio. This is the content that started getting syndicated in the Explore page and shows up when you're scrolling through the Reels tab on the platform. If you don't know how to actually find trending audio, I've actually created an entire video showing you how to create Reels step by step, and I'm going to link that below for you. The last trend I want to talk about is carousels. Now, carousels are no way a new feature, but how they're being used has developed. The benefit of a carousel is that they allow you to share a series of posts within one feed post. This means scrollers will spend more time on your profile while they scroll through your post, which leads to more engagement and therefore more chance for that post to get shown to more people on the platform. I think the best way to use carousels right now is to use them for educational content. For example, if you're a therapist like at The Holistic Psychologist, you can share a carousel that teaches on a specific point for mental health or relationships. On the other hand, if you're a fitness coach, you could create a carousel of exercises that make up a full workout for your followers to save and actually try at the gym. There are so many creative ways that you could be doing this, and I really encourage you to start implementing this strategy on your feed. If you want to see how I'm doing it, just head to @IamNatalie and you'll see the carousels that I'm doing and how I'm providing value. At the end of the day, creating consistent content and relevant content is what will allow you to grow on Instagram. But the more you implement current trends and new features, the better your results are going to be and the quicker you're going to get there. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you did, I would be so grateful if you hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. And finally, if you do have any questions or suggestions for video topics, drop me a comment and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own.